Watch me coming, you never gave a hand, I made my own way out the dungeon. Now I'm making noise, they wondering what's all that ruckus. That's a 18-wheeler, in my trailer, I'ma keep it trucking. Big rig driving, cargo hauling, I'ma keep it trucking. You hard moving, F-150, let's just keep it trucking. Out here busting moves, I ain't got time for no discussion.
Hey, what's up my YouTube people? So today I got a great show. I am at the King of Hammers. So King of Hammers, in case you guys don't know what that is, it's usually desert, but it's actually desert off-road racing combined with rock crawling. So they do it once a year out here in February in California. It's a big event. I'm really happy and excited because this year we actually have, well, Ford has a display booth with the Broncos. That's right, we're gonna get to see the full-size Broncos today, so I'm really excited to be here. I heard they got, I think, 10 of them, and then they just released the new Bronco R, which is like an off-road version, ready to race Bronco. It's all hooked up by Ford, so I'm gonna be looking out for that, so hopefully I get that in the video today. Also, there is Ford has the Super Duty, the F-150, and the Ranger Tremor package here and on display, so stay tuned. Here was my boss today, and he actually was able to bring out the Bronco Sport. So we got the Bronco Sport out here. It's a head turner already, honestly. We stopped at a Starbucks where we met, and a couple came up to us, asked us about it, and they love it. I mean, there it is, check it out. It's a nice car. It's really nice. I love it. Right next to the truck, check it out. I mean, it's a smaller version of the Bronco. It's still nice. It's a four-wheel drive. It's really cool. Just to get here, there was dirt roads, and we battled them and got through it like nothing. So it was a lot of fun. It's a fun car. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a good show. Can't wait to show you guys. All right, guys. So part of being in the King of Hammers, there's this little section called the Hammer Town, and section has a bunch of vendors and displays, and that's where they're gonna have the Bronco, the full-size Broncos. And to get in there, you got to take a COVID test. So I had to pay for a COVID test. Here's the swab. The test results looks like a pregnancy test, but it's actually for COVID. And this is where you put the little vial. So I got to take a COVID test before entering, which I like the fact that they did that. Gives you peace of mind. You know, at least you know that there isn't people with COVID in there. So that's a good thing. So bear with me. We're going to take a COVID test. So this is not my first rodeo. This would be my 5th time taking a COVID test. Luckily, thank God, I've been negative every single time. That would be kind of funny if I come out positive today, right? Jesus, let's hope not. So here we go. We got the swab. Bear with me. This one is a one nostril, so let's just do that. I hate this. Oh God, that's horrible. It's picking your brain. Probably came out with the booger sample. I don't know if you guys could tell, but my eyes are crying. There you go. Ooh, didn't make that easy. And then you put in the vial, spin it 3 times, a little bit more than 3 times, and then you put the cap. All right, now I gotta put 2 drops in the COVID. 1, 2. All right, I see it working quickly already. Color started changing. So I closed it. I see it moving. And if you get 2 lines, doesn't mean you're pregnant. It means you're positive. If you get 1 line, you're negative. So let's hope for the 1 line. All right, guys. I'll show you the results in a bit. All right, guys. Well, negative. I am not pregnant or have the COVID virus. So today we're gonna have the Broncos, full-size Broncos, the Bronco Sport. Here we go, up close. Super Duty, the F-150, the Ranger Tremor packages, all in one video. It's gonna be great. Stay tuned, you guys are gonna love it. All right, guys, here we go. The first look at the Bronco. Look at that. Oh man, beautiful. This is the Badlands version, 2-door. It's a stick shift. Oh, that's cool.
Hey, how much is your long sleeve Bronco t-shirt?
Here we have the full-size Bronco 4-door. It's a Badlands version with the Area 51 color. It's absolutely, I mean, absolutely beautiful. I love it. That's really cool. You know what? I could definitely see myself in one of these for sure. I mean, definitely I would do my color, white, match my truck. And that's a really good looking Bronco. So the cool thing about this, it comes with the 35-inch tires on the Sasquatch package. So this is actual stock tire that they would come with. And believe it or not, you can actually buy it like this directly from the dealership. Just the way you see it. With the tent.
The full rundown on it. But yeah, it's a full 4-hour plant. Yep. Yeah, she's fun. Got 42s, double beat locks.
Wow.
Fun.
Looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure. It's got 2 fuel tanks. Looks like one over on this side. I don't remember exactly the setup on it. Well, that's our brand. So we've got R2. Correct. Yep. Yeah. So we have Fun Hammer off road, and there's like Fun Hammer on road. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, we didn't realize when we were passing by until I started.
Right there. Just get this way just a little bit. I mean, it's identical. Just getting close.
Yeah, getting everything ready for tomorrow.
Yeah. Doing all the post.
Hey guys, check it out. It's Von Giffen Jr.'s race truck. Look at that. That's a beast.
Well, when I'm in Mexico, I have 4 ratings. Chase truck has 2.
So this is everybody getting their inspections done before the races. Doing inspections. Oh, look at that. Pizza. These are some badass toys. Hey guys, check it out. Here we have the Ford booth display. All right, guys, here we have the Super Duty Tremor package. Look at that beast. That's beautiful. And we have the F-150 Tremor package. There we go. You can see Like the little accents, they're different. Matching with the grill, tow hooks. Nice, I like it. And then the Ranger Tremor package. I don't really like the decals. I like the snorkel. That snorkel's pretty cool. So this is the Ford booth. So you have the Super Duty, F-150, the Ranger Tremor package, and then they have the Bronco R, Bronco Sport. Here's another Bronco Sport. I think it's a first edition. Yeah, it is a first edition. Pretty cool. Here we have a F-150 FX4. The King of Hammers logo on it. It's really, really cool. But what I like the most is this Bronco. Check this out. Now that's cool. You guys check it out, the Bronco R. Full-on race Bronco. Cool thing, I found my friend, actually my friend Caesar found me out here, so we decided to hit some trails out here, so we're gonna have some fun out here. So here we are, King of Hammers. We're gonna do some off-roading. We set the Bronco free. You know what? There's a lot of trails out here that are a lot of fun. A lot of trails. You could be out here all day. In fact, you could be out here for days and explore all the trails that are out here. It's a lot of fun. Look at that view.
broke on his first lap.
Always in the mix.
track. Thanks, sir. Oh man, I love it. First place.
And I got an IV.
Saw, congratulations, but while we'll start with that, unbelievable run. You had a great pace going. We saw you completely shred a time. He helped me work on the whole car. And then he helped.
All right, guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of rock crawling, racing, off-roading. We got to see the new Bronco Sport in action. The full-size Bronco 2-door, 4-door, and the Tremor packages on the Super Duty, F-150, and the Ranger. So it was a good day. I got to see everything I wanted to see and more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys could please do me a big favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for future content. I really would appreciate that. And with that, we are out.